Hey scientists, grab those lab coats and goggles as today we're going to work on identifying and explaining changes that happen in the life cycle. Let's get started with our essential questions.
Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today.
Pause the video and read the essential questions now as a class. All right, scientists, we're going to do the warm-up activity listing life cycles. In your pairs, you're going to be given 2 minutes to list as many organisms that you know that have life cycles. Go ahead and pause this video and do that now. Then come back for the next step when you're done making your list with your groups. Now that you have your list created, it's time to discuss the organisms you listed. Did anyone remember to list plants? Raise your hands if you did. Identify different life cycles, deciding whether they undergo gradual changes or those that undergo metamorphosis. Compare. In our first part, you're going to choose one plant and one animal life cycle from a bag. Then you're going to put the life cycle cards in the correct order. And when your group is finished, your teacher will come over and check. Then it's your time to draw and label your life cycles in your student journals. You're going to talk to your group about how the 2 life cycles you have are like and how they are different, and then you'll record your thoughts in your student journal. This first part in this group activity, make sure to take your time and discuss with your group the observations of the changes that you see the plant and the animal going through in their life cycle. Focus on their colors, shapes, sizes, how they look. All of these are great observations. In part 2, you are going to look at the specific materials your teacher gives you. You'll place the materials in the correct order to show the correct order of the life cycle of a tomato and the life cycle of a beetle. Then you'll have a chance to record those life cycles and how they are alike and different in your student journals. So today is all about comparing life cycles and ordering life cycles to see the process that different plants and animals must go through until they are fully grown. All right, scientists, it is up to you now. If you forget these steps, don't worry. You'll get a student guide similar to this to follow along while you explore today. Make sure to take your time and work well with your group members. I'll see you guys